Hey, Kinders. Okay, we're going to be substituting the beginning sound today. So we're going to start with a word like braid, and we change that burr to a sh sound, and it makes the word shade. Okay, so get your hands ready so that we can practice substituting beginning sounds. Here we go. Say the word chick. Change the ch to a th. New word, thick. Good. Say the word where. Change the w to a th. New word, there. Good. Say the word face. Change the f to a ch. New word, chase. Good job. Say the word shop. Change the sh to a ch. New word, chop. Good job. Say the word chore. Change the ch to a sh. New word, shore. Say the word spill. Change the sp to a ch. New word, chill. Say the word swell. Change the sw to a sh. New word, shell. Good job. Say the word drum. Change the dur to a th. New word, thumb. Good job. Say the word smart. Change the sm to a ch. What's the new word? Chart. Good job. Say the word sweet. Change the sw to a sh. What's the new word? Sweet. Good job. A few more words. Say the word shoe. Change the sh to a ch. What's the new word? Chew. Say the word trick. Change the tur to a th. What's the new word? Thick. Yep, that R comes with it, so it makes thick. Good job. Say the word please. Change the pull to a th. What's the new word? These. Nice job. Oh, here's another tricky one with that tricky R. Say the word brick. Take off the burr. Remember, that whole burr is gone. Don't keep that R sound. Add in a ch sound. What's the new word? Chick. Nice job. All right, see you next time.